Hey there, I was sent over this sonic toothbrush to try. With the toothbrush, you're going to get the actual toothbrush base itself. You're going to get 6 rechangeable heads. Each one has nice soft bristles, which is great for sensitivity. Each brush head is individually wrapped. It also comes with a travel case, a brush head cover, and a cord for recharging the toothbrush. The toothbrush has 5 options on it, so it covers a wide range of cleaning from sensitive to a more intense clean. When you turn on the toothbrush, the light will illuminate white, and with each button push, it'll change the setting from soft clean to daily clean to deep clean to whitening or the gum care mode. Each mode is timed for 2 to 3 minutes, and each 30 seconds of the interval, there's a quick pause in the vibration to change from one quadrant of the mouth to another to make sure everything gets brushed. The battery life is up to 150 days before it needs a recharge. Once it does, the charger's on the bottom, the cap comes off, it charges, and then the cap is replaced. This is IXP7 waterproof. I really like how well it brushed. I like that it's timed and has the 30-second intervals to make sure that I'm reaching every part of my mouth for a good amount of time before moving to the next. I like that the battery is long-lasting. The modes make it great for me to brush at the intensity level that I want. I think this is a good sonic electric toothbrush, and I hope it helps you decide on if this is a good toothbrush for you.